Welcome! Today, I'm going to show you how to change your nickname on your Facebook page using a PC with the latest update. It's a simple process, and I'll guide you through each step so you can update your profile just the way you want. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Facebook. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main Facebook page, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile photo. This will take you directly to your personal page. Now that you're on your profile, look for the About section. It's usually located just below your cover photo, among the tabs like Posts, Friends, and Photos. Click on About to open up more detailed information about you. In the About section, scroll down until you find Details about you. This is where Facebook lets you add and edit personal information, including your nickname. Next to your current nickname, you'll see 3 small dots. Click on these dots to reveal a menu with different options. From this menu, select Edit Name. This will open a new window where you can make changes to your nickname. Type in the new nickname you want to appear on your profile. Take a moment to double-check the spelling and make sure it's exactly how you want it to look. Once you're happy with your new nickname, click the Save button to apply the changes. And that's it. Your new nickname will now be visible on your Facebook page. Keep in mind that Facebook may review the change, so it might take a little time before it appears to everyone else. Changing your nickname is a great way to personalize your profile, whether you want to add a fun twist or just make it easier for friends to find you. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your updated Facebook profile.